everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Pam. I'm from Pamela's Creations. And I got my Crochet Society today. Yay! I'm super excited. I love her packaging and what she puts in her boxes for the Crochet Society. So let's take a look and see what we got. I hope you can see from this angle here. Packaged so well. Look at this. How pretty is that? Oh my goodness. Super pretty. Look at that box. Oh, I love it. Let me get you in here. Blue and everything. And I have not watched any box openings of this because I wanted to be surprised on what she had in here. Okay, so Crochet Society is by Bella Coco, who is Sarah Jane, and she is on YouTube as well. And her products, I love her stuff. Okay, so let's get to open. The fact that it has a Velcro, love that. Ooh, looky. Purple, one of my favorite colors. And it's taped so well. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I want to be careful with the paper. I can reuse that again. Ooh, looky. Look at this. Oh, that is so pretty. Charmed Chunky. Can you see that? Look how beautiful that is. Let me get that up in frame. It is really pretty. 85% acrylic, 5% mohair, and 10% wool, made in Turkey. And it doesn't say, I can't see the size. Oh, 6.5 millimeter hook. So there's that. Isn't that beautiful? Ooh, look at this color. Make sure you guys see that. That is beautiful. I just can't see, well, it says 100 grams on it. But look at that. Those are some pretty colors, aren't they? Beautiful. Okay. Let's see what else we got. We got one of her awesome hooks. Can you see that? 6.5 millimeter. It says crochet, hashtag Crochet Society. Let's see here. We got some push pins. Let's see here. That's what they look like. In this little box. Sorry, I'm trying to get you in frame here. Push pins. Ooh. Stitch marker. Pretty. Picture frame or something to decorate. Maybe your name. Yeah, you can put something in there. How cool is that? And it has the 40 round push pins. So I could put my name here. Oh, how cool is that? And let's see here. We got some awesome letters and numbers. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm going to be excited to decorate that. I've always wanted something like that. How cool. And then some hinges there. That's super neat. And this awesome book. Let's see here. She's got good vibes sign. Okay. What else here? And then this little kitty. So you can make several things. It's a bear, Benjamin the bear, it says. And you can put your like crochet hooks and stuff in it. And then half moon rug. How cool is that? I don't know which one I'll be doing. I still gotta catch up with the other ones still, but this is super cool. Like this good vibes. That's super cute. Oh my gosh, what a great box. This is awesome. That is my box opening, guys. I love it. I really need to gather up the rest of them and start working on some projects. I got so much going on, especially the stitch marker. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. All right, so I'm gonna put you on pause and I'm gonna show you some winnings I won from a giveaway real quick through Kayla's Creations something, I think. And so let me pause you and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back, everyone. And this is from Kayla's Creations on YouTube. I will link her channel down below. She is a crafter. So they were having some kind of collaboration and you had to enter some comments and I got picked for the winner. And the first thing I won was this beautiful heart, like a shabby type heart. Isn't that pretty? You can just hang it up or gift it. And I'm gonna hang it. I have no place to hang it in here, but I'll find a spot. Isn't that pretty? I love the detail on that. She did a really good job on that heart. The next thing I won was this Memory Decks card. And she made it vintage, and I really love the vintage look. So I'll open it up and I'll show you. 1 second. I think this was tied pretty well. Well, first she put bowl pin on it with this little heart. And let me pause you and get this ribbon off. Okay, so she has some seam binding on here. And she's got a vintage ephemera type here, or a die cut. And she put some love thing here, like a little wooden, maybe ephemera piece. Some flowers down here. And she put some lace and she probably distressed it really well. And distressed around here. And she made a little book with some cutouts in it. Look at that. Isn't that cute? And then the next, let's see here. And then this folds out like that. And she has some lace here with some more cutouts here. And then this back piece here with some cute little tags in there. That is super nice. This was a shabby chic Valentine's Day hop, I think it was. And so it looks like she made 1, 2, 3, 4 parts here. And they're really thick. So she probably used chipboard or something on that. Isn't that beautiful? Put it up closer. Yeah. So if you're interested, I will link her channel down below. And she's on Instagram at Doke Create. Kayla's Creations. Isn't that beautiful? So yeah, that's what I won. And just she had some seam binding around it. Hey everyone, I'm back. So I also wanted to do a video response, a VR for Trinas Place. And she is a crafty person, and she's on her road to 1K, I believe, but I think she got there. But let's go show her some crafty love. She's doing a birthday giveaway. I've watched a few of her videos already. Super talented. And I just love finding new channels to watch and getting some ideas from. And people I watch are super talented. So I will link her channel down below. And so you guys can go and check her out. And that is Trinas Place on the road to 1K birthday giveaway. All right, everyone, take care, stay safe, and God bless. Bye.